Alam mo, when I can relate it to other countries that have implemented technology, no, not necessarily blockchain. No. Ako, I always talk about Estonia. No, but no, it's a small country. No, it was poor, no, decades ago, but it became a progressive country. And you know what? 99% of their government is digitized. No. They started
Wow.
2001. No. 2001, and it was not blockchain. No? It was the some technology that we that's already being used in the early 2000s. Pero there's security out there. No? It's secure. No? Again, it shows that technology is the enabler. No? It's the enabler. It's not the end all be all. No? And what's good about Estonia example is that the people trusted the government and the government trusted the people. No?